programming concepts in two different programming languages. They are Python and C++ programming language. Variable declaration in C++. What type of data are these? They are of integer type. If you want to store data in the computer memory, first you need to declare a variable of that type. I will declare an integer variable here, int num. Int is the type of data that you are going to store. Num is the variable name. You can use different names for the variables, but you have to follow some rules while naming a variable. Refer the previous video to check what are the rules you have to follow while naming an identifier. When you declare a variable, some space for the variable is allocated in the memory. I have declared variable num. Some space is allocated for num in the memory. Actually, variable is the name of that memory location. Now I will assign a value to the variable. Num is equal to 2. So 2 will be stored in the place that is allocated for num. Next, I will take different type of data. What type of data are these? Refer the previous video for more information. So they are floating point types of data. How do we declare floating point types of data? Dash variable name. Number is a variable name. So I'll assign 3.1 to number, or you have another option, dash number. Number is equal to 3.1. What should I fill in the blank space? Comment below. Now I'll take different types of data. What type of data are these? Yes, they are of character type. So we can declare a character type of variable char ch. Some space is allocated for ch in the memory. Now I will assign a value a to ch. Okay. We'll take different example. Character ch1. So some space is allocated for ch1, and I have assigned value b, a character constant, to the character variable. And what is variable? A variable is the name given to the memory location where we can store the value. Depends on the type of that variable. If I declare integer variable, I can store integer type of data. If I declare floating point type of variable, I can store floating point type of data, and so on. So variable is a programming element, and it is allowed to change during the execution of the program. What example we can take? Int num is equal to 12 and num is equal to 15. So value of num is changed from 12 to 15. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share.